I've done videos on several travel suits. The two that I get asked the most often about are the Xsuit and Sene travel suits. In today's video, I'm going to be able to show you another suit from Sene as well as several other non-suit options from Sene, and I'm going to be able to let you know what I think about each one to help you decide if you think they're right for you. And at the end, I'll explain why I prefer Sene over Xsuit, so don't go anywhere. I'm Bill Sweet and welcome to the Dad Bod. First things first, I want to show you my newest suit from Sene. You can get the suit jacket in modern length, which is slightly shorter, classic, which is a traditional length, or long, which is a bit more old school. For the trousers, you can have them with a tailored fit, a slim fit, or a straight fit. And then it's custom made to your body measurements. They have several colors. This one here is navy. Dark gray and navy are two of the most versatile colors because they can be paired with so many other colored shirts and ties and jeans. So this material has a four-way stretch, which allows you to really be able to move around in ways where regular suits, meaning non-travel suits, are a little bit more restrictive. The material is machine washable. You can steam it to reduce wrinkles, but it's wrinkle resistant already, so it's got the protection built in. Don't dry clean these and don't iron these. What I do is when I get to a hotel, I hang my suits in a bathroom and I take a long hot shower. And I mean, let's face it, after a long road trip or traveling through an airport, that's all you really want to do once you get to a hotel anyways. This suit that I'm wearing right now is their Soho Flex Tech suit in navy. But before we go into the details of this and the other clothing options that they offer, please take a minute to subscribe to this channel. It helps you to be able to see more of the content that we put out, and it helps us to grow this channel so we can do more reviews like this one. Alright, so let's throw this suit on Jeff, that way I can better show you the features. He's a bit skinnier than I am, so it's a little bit baggy on him. It has a double vent in the back, which is great because most of the suits that you find nowadays, particularly in the US, have a single vent. You also have lapel pitch stitching. Both of these add a bit of style and refinement to the suit. And check out the buttons. They're made out of horn instead of plastic. So the jacket is deconstructed, which allows it to have more of that freedom of movement, and it's also going to keep you feeling cooler as it allows for better airflow. They also very recently added the Sene Custom Fit Tuxedo and the Sene Custom Fit Vest, so if you wanted to turn any of these into a three-piece suit, you can. I don't have the tux or the vest at this point to review, but I plan on getting a vest or two fairly soon. You can wear it with the suit, you can wear it with just the trousers and a dress shirt, or even pair it with jeans and a dress shirt. I love the versatility of a vest, which is also known as a waistcoat by some. This dress shirt here is also from Sene. It's custom made to my size. This is the Breeze Tech spread shirt. They allow you to add custom notes to your size, so if you prefer the bottom of the shirt to be a little shorter, you can do that. If you prefer it to be a little bit longer like I do, you can do that as well. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that until after I ordered the shirt, so it's good, it's just not as long as I tend to like my shirts, which is my fault, not theirs. I made a video comparing many types of underwear a couple of years ago. My favorite was and still is the one that was made with bamboo fabric. This shirt is made with bamboo fabric. It's lightweight, it's super comfortable, and just like the suit, it's both wrinkle resistant and stretchy. It's also machine washable, no iron, and no plastic buttons on this. These are mother of pearl buttons. This goes great with the navy suit, and it's a white shirt. It's going to go great with any suit or even just a pair of jeans. Which brings us to the jeans. Now, just to note, Sene provided me with these clothing items free of charge to do another video because they know how much I love the first suit. That being said, per our agreement, my thoughts and opinions are my own. If I like clothing, I do a video about it. If I don't make a video, and I work with them on possible ways to improve. And not only am I making this video, which means I like the clothing items, but I also went and bought myself two more pairs of these jeans. They're the Air jeans. So yeah, they're more expensive than jeans at Walmart, but they're custom made for my size. They're comfortable. And you know, I wasn't thinking, and I wore the first pair on my flight to Mexico. I hate wearing jeans on a plane. We left at 3 a.m. to catch our flight, so I wasn't fully awake, but these were so comfortable that I went and bought two more. So they stretch. Not like stretchy jeans that look weird and feel like spandex. These feel like jeans, but they're softer and they have a little bit of stretch to them. The only thing that I wanted to point out is similar to many of the other jeans that I bought in my life, you are going to want to wash these a few times with dark colors after you get them. Darker jeans can stain lighter colors the first 2 to 3 times that you wash them, and then after that, it's fine. But again, super comfortable and great looking. And you can wear darker colored jeans with so many things, it just really steps up your look. I also got a Cumulus Crew t-shirt, but with 5 other people in this house. Somebody stole it. I wore it twice and then it was gone. It magically reappeared on the couch this morning, just in time for me to make this video. It is made in the US with a French terry pima cotton, which is why it's so soft. So it does have a heavy drape, so it doesn't feel like a paper thin shirt, but again, it is super comfortable, which is likely why my kids snagged it from the dryer. Again, it's custom fit to my size, which is why it's a bit baggy on Jeff. I know there's a lot of things being reviewed here, but stay with me. There's only 2 more items, and I've got a way for you to get a discount on your order should you decide to get something for yourself, so keep watching. I got this Polo shirt. It's not the heavy drape like the t-shirt, but it is a super soft Cloud Supima cotton. Everything they make, again, is custom made to your size. This fits great, feels great, and it cleans great. I brought this down to Mexico with me about a month ago, and I spilled some sauce on it, a little OxyClean, and it came out no problems. I can't even tell that there was ever a stain on it, and at this point, I don't even remember where the stain was. You can get this shirt in a slim or tailored fit, and you can get it in long or short length. And they have several color options available for, not just this, but this and all of their clothing. And lastly, this bomber jacket. Now, if you're not familiar with what a bomber jacket is, it's this style. It's named because it was worn by military, and it's evolved quite a bit over the years to what you see here. They offer the suits and the bomber jackets with these stripes on the sleeve. I didn't really want that on my suits. Some people do. I didn't, but it is a nice detail for the jacket. And I love this jacket. In just a few months that I've had it, I've worn it to London. I've worn it to Mexico in a rainstorm. It's going with me to Germany next month to the Cannstatter Volksfest, which is similar to Oktoberfest. And I wore it just last night in the rain at an outdoor Alice Cooper concert. So definitely don't think of Sene as just suits. They have all sorts of clothing options that I love, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love too. It's really nice quality, great attention to detail, and their customer service is amazing. If you get something that doesn't fit right, reach out to them and they're gonna work with you to get it fixed. This is absolutely a company who's looking to earn lifetime customers as opposed to just one-time customers. And now, to answer the question that I get all the time. I've had many people ask me if I prefer Xsuit or Sene, and the answer is I prefer Sene. I do like the Xsuit, but their sizes are quite limited, and the biggest size that they offer is a bit snug on me. Also, in my experience and many of the comments, just read through the comments on my videos, they have a lot of logistical issues. People are getting the wrong suit, they're getting the wrong color, they're getting half the suit and having to wait months to get the other half because it was out of stock, but not listed as being out of stock on their website, or they're having to wait 3 to 6 months after ordering to get the suit, and again, no mention of it being on back order or out of stock on the website. Sene custom makes your suit and your clothing to your measurements, and if there's any issue with the sizing, they're really quick about taking care of it and ensuring that you get a proper fitting suit fairly quickly, and they're great suits. So I do hope that helps. If it does, let me know in the comments. Also, check out the description of this video for a link to get you a discount on suits and other clothing from Sene, and I hope to see you in the next video, which, by the way, right here.